You don't know how to add an end screen? Don't worry, it's very simple. For those of us who don't know what an end screen is, an end screen is a YouTube element that appears at the end of a video to provide creators with a final opportunity to engage with their audience and promote their content. So it's a way of promoting your videos so that people will watch them. Those videos that have low views, you can add an end screen at the end of your recent video so that people will click on it and watch it. So let's get right into it. On the YouTube Studio app, I'm using the desktop version on my Android phone. So click on the second image, this second image, click on it, then the list of your videos will appear. Then I'm going to select the video I'm going to be using. The video I'll be adding the end screen to. So I'll be using this video. Then the next thing I'm going to do is scroll to the right side. So you see where they wrote end screen, I'll click on it. Then after clicking on it, so these are the elements available. You can select whichever element you want, the design you want, you can select whichever one you want. So I'll choose whichever one I want right now. Import from latest video, one subscribe. So I'll be using this I'll be using 2 videos. Then I'll be choosing from specific video. You can allow YouTube to choose for you, but I'll be choosing from my specific video. So I'll be using a video here. You can select whichever one you want. I'll be using this one. Then for the second end screen, I'll be selecting from my specific video. I'll be using this one. So that's it. Then the next thing you're going to click is save. That's just it. It's very, very easy to do. We'll go to the YouTube app to check if our end screen worked. We're on the YouTube app right now, so I'll be going to my page, my channel. So I'll click on videos, scroll down to the video I just worked on. I don't even know the video again. Okay, this video. So I'll scroll down to the last 10 minutes to find out if the end screen actually works. Okay, it worked. Yeah, so it worked. Your viewers can see this and click on whichever one they want. That's it. Please do me a favor and smash the subscribe button because I know you enjoyed this video. You've learned something today, so help me by subscribing. Make sure you comment. Thank you so much.